people, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Shix Mwangi. First of all, let me say thank you so much for consuming my content. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for those who always press the notification bell so that anytime I upload they will be notified. So on our today's video, I went to the market. I want to show you something on how to preserve your kales, veggies on a whole week on your fridge. So guys, watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like. Comment in the description box on how you preserve your veggies. I mean your kales and your sukuma wikis. So guys, watch till the end. Let us get to our today's video. So guys, I was saying that if you have not yet watched my other videos, I'll put all the links in the description box. You will go there, you will watch, give them a like and share with your friends and the family. And let us get to our today's video. So guys, when I went to the market, I decided to add our tomatoes. By the way guys, tomatoes zimeanguka kabisa. These were going 5 for 10 bob, you see? And they are very big. This is for making these greens for a whole month. For the greens, I bought all these for, I think it was 3 kilos per kilo. For the skumas, a kilo was going for 30 bob. And for the spinach, I bought 1 kilo and it was going for 35 bob. So I bought, let's say 100 for the kales and for the kales. For the nyanyas, I bought these nyanyas for 50 bob. I also bought the So for the danias, it was going for a big bunch. It was going for 50 bob. I decided to buy a half. I also bought, hey, these are gold in Kenya, guys. For a kasuku of these was going for 250. Hey, imagine this one was going for 20 bob. I also bought the green bananas for the fufu. Guys, if not yet watched the video of how I showed you on how to make a fufu using your bananas and cassava, go watch. I'll put the link here down in the description box. Go watch, like and subscribe. For the onions, guys, here the price has started shooting up. For this one, I normally bought 3 for 10 bob, but today I was going for 1 for 5 bob. So guys, if you have not yet top up your onions, go and, because the onions price is going up higher. I also bought the green peas, these ones, meshiri. This one was going for 10 bob, so I bought for 30 bob. I also bought the green maize for mokish, for the mokimo, this and this. I will also make a mokimo using the green bananas and store in the fridge. So guys, that is what I bought to top up for the month. So guys, watch till the end. Remember to like this video, like, and thank you so much for the returning subscriber, and thank you so much for the new subscribers. Feel much welcome to Shix Mwangi's YouTube channel. Guys, for the next process is washing and preparing them. Then watch till the end to see what I will do. You stuff your potatoes. For me, I normally, those are the tomatoes that were in the fridge. So I normally choose the green ones that zinaenda chini, like this. I usually make sure that every time I put new tomatoes here, I counter check. You see, you put the green ones down. Do you know why I'm telling you? Always keep counter checking your tomatoes. You see, like this one, shaanza to spoil, and this one. So I will not use these fresh ones. I will use these ones. So Is how do you preserve your your fresh beans? So for me, I normally put holes like this using a. Now it's cleaning time. Guys, while washing, counter check and look whether the zenye zinakuwa na wadudu, make sure umeangalia vizuri. Clean it very well. Check well and use a lot of water. Wash and clean. How do you wash your spinach? By the way, spinach zinakuwa na uchafu mingi, so hey, you need to wash them thoroughly. Then after you finish, you do when washing, make sure that you are doing what I am doing. Then after washing, you have to rinse them like maybe 2 to 3 times so that you don't eat dust and the wadudus. Guys, it's about time to rinse our kales. Our veggies are green and fresh. Now it's time to cut them out. Guys, our preparation for our kales is ready. Now it's time to fry. This will take us for fry our So guys, our onion is ready. It's golden brown. See? It is golden brown. So next we add our salt. Remember, we want to cook our spices. I will add our loiko. our greens, then we water is steamed. Have you watched my video that I showed you on how to make a pineapple ginger juice? And I told you that it ensures that your stomach goes. See guys, if kama unanijua, you can testify about my tummy. See, my tummy is gone. So I am taking this one, mebaki. Guys, cheers. Ensure when you drink this pineapple ginger juice, your stomach should be empty. So you take it in the morning and at night. So guys, this is how they look. Do not cook that much, because when you will be utakuwa unataka kuzikula, utakuwa utakuwa unaibishia. So guys, when storing anything in the fridge, ensure that it had already cooled down. It is not hot. So we will leave it, let's say, for like 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Imagine all these guys can last for months and months in the freezer. So you'll be taking one by one, you warm it as you finish to cook it. So guys, next time, let's meet to the next video.